Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Count Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil.
I'm Amelia.
And we're here at
Hilton Fallsview.
That's right, folks. We're here at the Hilton Fallsview in Niagara Falls, Canada for the next 2 nights. So in this video, what we're going to do is show you guys the room we're staying at. It's a 2-bedroom family suite, and then give you guys an idea of some of the amenities and on-site dining that this place has to offer. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. You got different elevators here. You got the South Tower, Mid Tower, desk here for information. In addition to the Mid Tower, they also have the North Tower, and that is where we are staying. The lobby is very spacious, so much over here, and there's another, looks like Wildflower Social, food, music on the back end here. And then they also have a Starbucks and the lobby entrance here. Mid-tower elevators, shops and snacks, gift shop, all on the lobby level. Got another market here called the Vault. So we make our way down to the North Tower. You also have Corso on-site restaurant. There's another restaurant right above this. It's a steakhouse. This is the North Tower elevator. This is where our room is at. So let's head on over to the 47th floor. So this is our room right here, 4757, the 2-bedroom family suite. So we're gonna go ahead and take a quick tour of this. As soon as you enter, you got a king bed. So your first room is right when you enter with a TV off to the left, little dresser here. We'll kind of just rotate around. And you also have a closet here with a safe. And then your iron and ironing board. We'll make our way in. You have a wet bar area on the left here with a coffee maker. We'll open this up. You got your mini fridge. And then your bathroom off to the right here. So here you have a standing shower. Your sink, your vanity. This one also has a soaking tub with a window that opens up. So you can go ahead and close that obviously for privacy, but that leads to the other room, which we'll check out momentarily. And then separated is your WC off to the corner here. And then let's make our way to the second bedroom. And this is a lot larger than the first. So this is the second bedroom of this unit. So you got your king bed, sleeper sofa off to the side there, also a lounging area, your work desk, some water bottles, large TV by the way. And the biggest and most important thing about this room is the view. This is the Falls view. So let's check it out. So that concludes the room tour. Let's see what else Hilton Fallsview has to offer. Let's head back to the lobby level and check out Corso, Italian kitchen and wine bar. We came here for dinner and we definitely recommend checking this place out whether you're staying here or just visiting. Another on-site restaurant is the Watermark Fallsview on the 33rd floor. We came here for breakfast and to enjoy the beautiful view. Located on the 17th floor are other on-site amenities. Here you'll find the family pool and splash pad. They also have a second pool that features a hot tub and a 50-foot infinity pool. In addition, you'll also find a 24-hour fitness center equipped with plenty of equipment. valet and self-parking at the property. Well, there you folks have it, the Hilton Fallsview in Niagara Falls, Canada. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask these two down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching.
Bye-bye.